F7S 4K Pro Drone, professional aerial photography quadcopter with 3-axis gimbal and obstacle avoidance. Elevate your aerial experience. Step into the world of professional-grade aerial photography with the F7S 4K Pro Drone, the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology, intelligent features, and robust design. This high-performance quadcopter is engineered for enthusiasts and content creators who demand smooth cinematic footage, precise flight control, and stable image capture. Equipped with a real 4K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis electronic gimbal, and enhanced by ICE, electronic image stabilization, the F7 ensures crystal-clear photos and shake-free videos every time, whether you're soaring above mountains, coastlines, or your local park. With an ultra-long control range of up to 3,000 meters, powered by a reliable 2.4G plus 5G bridge transmission, the drone maintains strong signal integrity for real-time HD image transmission, even in challenging environments. Foldable, lightweight, 550 grams, and designed for portability, the F7 is the perfect companion for travel vloggers, real estate photographers, adventurers, and drone racing hobbyists. The GPS plus GLONASS dual-mode positioning system ensures stable hovering and pinpoint return-to-home precision, giving you full confidence to fly further, higher, and smarter. Intelligent features and obstacle avoidance. What sets the F7S 4K Pro apart is its visual obstacle avoidance system, providing enhanced safety during flight, particularly in complex environments or urban areas. With forward-facing sensors, the drone actively detects obstacles within its flight path and automatically adjusts trajectory to avoid collisions, perfect for beginners or those filming in tight or dynamic spaces. Note: the F7 base version offers the same features minus obstacle avoidance. The F7S also boasts a range of intelligent flight modes such as waypoint flight, follow me, via GPS and AI image tracking, orbit mode, point of interest, and gesture control for hands-free selfies or video triggers. The altitude hold function ensures steady, level flight at your desired height, and the one-touch takeoff, landing, and return features make this drone incredibly easy to operate even for first-time users. With support for up to 128 GB micro SD cards, you'll have plenty of space to store stunning 4K content, perfect for editing and sharing later. Power, performance and portability. Powered by a high-capacity 11.1 volts 2600 mAh LiPo battery, the F7S delivers a generous 25 minutes of flight time per charge, making it ideal for long-distance flights or extended shooting sessions. The USB-C fast charging system supports 5 volts, 3A charging, ensuring you're ready for your next adventure with minimal downtime. The brushless motors provide smooth, silent propulsion while offering long-lasting durability and improved efficiency. The remote controller includes a built-in 3.7 volts 1500 mAh battery, capable of running for up to 2.5 hours, with real-time telemetry displayed on your connected iOS or Android device. Whether you're shooting cinematic sequences, surveying landscapes, or enjoying casual exploration, the F7S 4K Pro Drone gives you the freedom to capture professional quality footage, without the professional price tag. What's in the box? One F7 or F7S 4K Pro Drone, one remote controller, 3.7 volts 1500 mAh built-in, one 11.1 volts 2600 mAh drone battery, one USB Type-C charging cable, one screwdriver, 4 spare propeller blades, 1 user manual, 1 app instruction manual, technical specifications overview, camera, 4K HD, 3840x2160p, photo, 4K, 720p video with ICE, gimbal, 3-axis electronic stabilization, control distance, up to 3,000 meters, Wi-Fi transmission, up to 3,000 meters, flight time, approximately 25 minutes. Drone battery, 11.1 volts 2600 mAh LiPo. Remote battery, 3.7 volts 1500 mAh. Charging time, approximately 7 hours, USB-C 5 volts, 3A. Folded size, compact, portable design. Obstacle avoidance, F7S version only. Follow modes, GPS plus image recognition. Mobile app, iOS 8.0 Plus, Android 4.4 Plus. SD card support. 32 GB to 128 GB, Kingston 64 GB recommended. Brushless motors. Silent and efficient. Gesture shooting distance. 1 to 3 meters. Follow distance. 3 to 50 meters.